and multiply. I told you always x coefficient should be positive, but here we have minus 4x. So first make it positive, then you can transfer 2 to that side. So rearrange. I told you rules of equality and inequality both are same. I told you whenever you multiply minus on both sides, relation changes. X greater than 4, not including 4, strictly greater than 4. So open interval 4 till where? Infinite. See, on number line, if included we should put dark bubble, if excluded we should put air bubble. Welcome to the session, dear students. In my last class I taught you some of the linear inequality problems of the exercise. Today we'll go ahead with more problems of linear inequalities. Exercise 6.1 from 11 problems will continue. Solve the inequality from 11 to 16 for x being real number. I told x is a real number. You know, if x is a real number, you should write the answers in what? Intervals. So now they gave inequality 3 into x minus 2 divided by 5 is less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x divided by 3. Simplify this. So bring 3 to this side, by 3 comes this side and you come into 3 or multiply. So now we have 5 here. So rearrange or split it. So 3 into x is 3x minus 3 to the 6 divided by 5 less than or equal to 5 to the 10 by 3 minus 5x by 3. So bring all x terms to one side. So minus 5x by 3, bring it to LHS. So it will become 3x by 5 minus 5x by 3, transfer it to LHS, it will become plus 5x by 3 is equal to, is less than or equal to 10 by 3 plus 6 by 5. So rearrange. I told you rules of equality and inequality both are same. Only when you change the sign or when you take reciprocal, the relation changes. So here, what is the LCM for these two? 3 and 5. LCM is 15. Cross multiply 9x plus 25x less than or equal to, take LCM again. LCM is 15. Cross multiply 50 plus 6 3 is 18. Now 15 cancels, means if you transfer 15 to that side it will come into, so you can cancel. So 9 plus 25, 34x less than or equal to 68, and x is less than or equal to 68 divided by 34. It is divisible. So finally x less than or equal to, if you divide 34 ones are 34, 34 twos are 68. So x less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2 means what? So on the number line, if this is 2, less than means I should go towards left. Left side will have negative infinity. So x belongs to minus infinity to 2. Less than or equal to means what? Including 2. So x belongs to minus infinity to 2 closed interval. So this is the value. So now we are done with problem 11. They want you to solve for x. We solved for x. Next we have half 3x by 5 plus 4 greater than or equal to 1 by 3 x minus 6. Same, if I multiply half, 3x divided by 2 5s are 10 plus multiply half into 4 is 2 less than or equal to, multiply this, it will become x by 3 minus 6 by 3. 6 by 3 becomes 2. Now bring all x terms to one side, bring this term to LHS. So 3x by 10 minus x by 3 equal to 2, you transfer to that side, so minus 2 minus 2. Now take LCM for 10 and 3. What is the LCM for 10 and 3? 30. Cross multiply 3 3s are 9x minus 10x less than or equal to minus 4. Transfer 30 to RHS, so it will become 9x minus 10x becomes minus x divided by 30 less than or equal to minus 4. That is minus x less than or equal to minus 4 into 30, 120. So now multiply minus on both sides. when you multiply minus on both sides, minus of minus x, this will become minus of minus 120. I told you, whenever you multiply minus on both sides, relation changes. Less than becomes greater than or equal to. So x greater than or equal to 120. So x greater than or equal to 120 means what? More than 120. So means x values is after 120, including 120 till what? Positive infinity. That is, x belongs to starting from 120 till what? Positive infinity, including 120, because greater than or equal to. Including means closed interval. Closed interval means square bracket. Always infinity should be in open interval. This is the answer, or this is the solution. So here they gave a fraction, multiply half into 3. The 3 ones are 3, 5 2s are 10, and half into 4. Half into 4 becomes 2. Then half into x, 1/3 into x is x by 3. 1 by 3 into 6 is minus 2. Bring transfer 2 to that side, it will become minus 2. And bring x by 3 to LHS, it will become minus x by 3. Take LCM. For 10 and 3, LCM is 30. Then 9x minus 10x, it will become minus x. And transfer 30 to that side, it will become 120 and minus 120, and multiply minus on both sides, you will get this. Next, 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 greater than 6 into x minus 2. Again, they told x is what? Real number. So now solve this. Multiply 2 2s are 4x plus 2 3s are 6 minus 10 greater than 6 into x is 6x minus 6 into 2 is minus 12. So bring x terms to one side. So we have 4x greater than, bring 6x to LHS, it will become, bring 6x to LHS, it will become minus 6x. And 6 minus 10 is minus 4 greater than minus 12. So 4x minus 6x is minus 2x greater than minus 12. Transfer minus 4 to RHS, it will become plus 4. So minus 2x greater than minus 8, x is greater than, see remember, you cannot transfer, always quotient of x should be positive. So here quotient of x should be positive, so first make it positive, then you can transfer 2 to that side. So first multiply what? Minus on both sides. When you multiply minus on both sides, minus of minus 2x, minus of minus 8, you know greater than becomes what? Less than. This is important. Quotient of x should be always positive. If quotient of x is negative, multiply minus on both sides. When you multiply minus on both sides, relation changes. In my first session I taught you, when you multiply minus on both sides, greater becomes lesser. So now minus of minus 2x becomes 2x. 2x is less than 8. Now into 2 transfer to RHS, so it will become x greater than 8 by 2. Sorry, x less than 8 by 2. So x is less than, strictly less than 4. X less than 4 means what? 4 is the upper limit. Less than 4 means negative infinity. So x belongs to minus infinity to 4, open interval. Not including 4, so open interval. Strictly less than 4, so I should write open interval. Less than 4 means towards left of 4. On number line, if you have 4 here, left side. So all the numbers less than 4. What are the numbers less than 4? 3, 2.1 till negative infinity. So this is the solution. Next we have 37 minus 3x plus 5 greater than or equal to 9x minus 8 into x minus 3. So now 37, let it be, open the bracket, so it will become minus 3x plus into minus minus 5 greater than or equal to 9x minus 8x, open the brackets, minus 8 into x, minus into minus plus 8, 3s are 24. Further rearrange, so 37 minus 5, you know, first simplify the numbers. 37 minus 5 becomes 32 minus 3x greater than or equal to 9x minus 8x is x plus 24. Now you bring the x term to this side, so x, if it comes this side, it will become minus x minus 3x minus x greater than or equal to, transfer 32 to RHS, so we have 24, so it will become 24 minus 32. Simplify this, minus 3x minus x becomes minus 4x greater than or equal to 24 minus 32, that is minus 8, and multiply. I told you always x coefficient should be positive, but here we have minus 4x, so multiply minus on both sides, so it will become minus of minus 4x. Right side it will become minus of minus 8, and whenever you multiply negative sign, the relation changes. It was greater than or equal to, now it will become less than or equal to. Now simplify. So further this will become minus of minus 4x is what? 4x less than or equal to 8, or x is less than or equal to 8 into 4, bring this side, it will become divided by, so x is less than or equal to 4 ones are 4 twos are. So solution is what? X less than 2. X less than 2 means x belongs to minus infinity till 2 including 2. Including 2 means closed interval, and infinity should be always in what? Open interval. So this is a solution. Next we have x by 4 less than 5x minus 2 by 3 into 7x minus, sorry, minus it is, minus 7x minus 3 by 5. So now simplify this. X by 4 strictly less than, for 3 and 5 LCM is 15. So 5 into 5x minus 2, then minus 3 into 7x minus 3. So rearrange. X by 4 less than 25x minus 10 minus 21x plus 9 by 15. So x by 4 strictly less than 25x minus 21x becomes 4x minus 1 divided by what? 15. So rearrange this. That is, if you rearrange, it will become 15x by 4 less than or equal to 4x minus 1. So now bring x term to this side. So 15x by 4 minus 4x less than minus 1. Take LCM. It will become 4. 15x minus 4 4s are 16x less than minus 1. Or numerator is minus x by 4 less than or equal to minus 1. And I told you always x quotient should not be negative. If it is negative, make it positive. When you multiply minus n, it will become x by 4. This will become 1 and it becomes 1. So x greater than 4 it will be. X greater than 4 means x belongs to 4 to positive infinity, excluding 4, so open interval. So here 4x you bring to LHS, it will become minus 4x. Take LCM, 4 is the LCM and 4 4s are 16. 15 minus 16 is minus 1x. But quotient of x should not be negative. So multiply minus on both sides. Idu positive x agutte, idu positive 1 agutte, less than irodu greater than agutte. 4 a kade kalsi into 4 agutte. X greater than 4, not including 4. Strictly greater than 4. So open interval 4 till where? Infinite. Next we have 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 by 4 minus 2 minus x by 5. Simplify this by taking LCM. LHS is in simplified form by 3 greater than or equal to LCM for 4 and 5 is 20. So 5 3s are 15x minus 5 2s are 10 minus 4 2s are 8 minus into minus becomes plus 4x. Simplify this further. So 20 you can bring this side. So 20 into 2x minus 1 by 3 let it be greater than or equal to 15 plus 4 is 19x minus 18 and 3 you can transfer that side. So 20 into 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 3 into 19x minus 18. Further simplify this. So 22s are 40x minus 20 greater than or equal to 57x minus 54. So 19 into 3, then 19 into 8, sorry 18 into 3. Now bring all x terms to one side. 40x minus 57x greater than or equal to minus 54 plus 20. So 40 minus 57 becomes minus 17x greater than or equal to minus 34. So now I told you x quotient should be always positive, but here we have negative. So multiply minus on both sides. So this will become 17x. This will become less than or equal to 34. So now we need x is less than or equal to 34 divided by 17. So x less than or equal to 2. So answer is x belongs to less than 2 means upper limit is 2 including 2, so closed interval till minus infinity to 2. So x less than or equal to what? 2 is the solution. In intervals we'll write like that. Here taking LCM I should do carefully. So I took LCM, 4 and 5 is 20, 15 plus 4 becomes 90, and here 4 2s are 8, 4 minus into minus becomes plus. So any one single sign, if you do mistake, the whole problem goes wrong. Do it carefully. Next, solve the inequalities and show the graph on number line. I want you to write the answer on number line. See, on number line, if included we should put dark bubble, if excluded we should put air bubble. Suppose if 2 is included, at 2 I should write dark bubble. If 2 is not included, from 2 means I should put like this. So we'll solve the problems and represent them on what? Number line. So as usual, you know how to solve it. So 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. Bring all x terms to one side, 3x. 2x, if it comes this side, it will become minus 2x less than 1 plus 2. So this will become x less than 3. So now x less than 3 is the solution on number line. This is a number line. So at 3, so less than 3 means this will be say 3. Less than 3 means I should shade left. I should shade towards what? Left. So shade it towards left. From 3 I should shade left. Shade towards left. Make it thicker towards left side. And not including 3. If you see, strictly less than 3. Strictly less than 3 means 3 is not included. So I should write a bubble here. I should write a small bubble here. And not including 3. So not including 3 at 3. So this is less than means you should go towards left and shade it towards left. This is say 3. At 3 you put a bubble like this, and this is right. Number line, on number line, if you go towards this you will have negative infinity. If you go towards this you will have positive infinity. And you know solution is less than, so make the line thicker towards left side because less than, and 3 is not included, so put what? Air bubble. So this is a solution on number line. Less than means shade left, greater than means shade right towards the number. Number is what? 3, but strictly less than, so put air bubble. Next, 5x minus 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. Bring 3x to LHS, so it will become 5x minus 3x greater than or equal to, bring minus 3 to that side, it will become minus 5 plus 3. Further this will be 2x is greater than minus 2, and x is greater than or equal to minus 2 by 2. X is strictly x is greater than or equal to minus 1. So on number line we'll have minus 1 and including minus 1. Greater than means shade right, including minus 1. So minus 1 is included, so I should take a bubble, thick dark bubble, and I should shade towards what? Greater means I should shade towards right. So right side, this is the solution. On number line, this is the solution. The shading goes on. Greater means shade towards right till what? Positive infinity, and left side will have normal line. Here you have negative infinity. This is the solution region. Got it? So including minus 1, so dark bubble towards right. So next we have 3 into 1 minus x less than 2 into x plus 4. Multiply, so 3 minus 3x less than 2 into x is 2x plus 8. So bring this to this side, so minus 3x minus 2x less than 8 minus 3. Transfer 3 to that side, minus 5x less than 5. I always told you x quotient should not be negative, but here you have x quotient negative, make it positive, multiply minus on both sides. Minus of minus 5x less than 5, or x is less than 5. Less than minus 5. Multiply minus on both sides. X is less than, I told you, whenever you multiply minus on both sides, the relation changes. What changes? Relation. So I am multiplying minus on both sides, so less than becomes greater than, so it will become 5x greater than minus 5, or x is greater than minus 5 by 5, or x is greater than minus 1. X is strictly greater than minus 1, means more than minus 1, not including 1. So at minus 1 put a air bubble. Greater means what? Shade towards right, shade towards right side of the line, make the line thicker towards right side and shade it till what? Positive infinity. Left side a thin line you should draw, and this is your solution region. Solution region means shade it little thick, make the line thicker than left side. That's it. This is a solution. Next, same way you draw it, you solve it and represent it on what? Number line. So now x by 2 greater than or equal to, if I take LCM, 15 is the LCM, 5 5s are 25x minus 10 minus 7 3s are 21x plus minus into minus 3 3s are 9. Now further x by 2 greater than or equal to 25 minus 21 is 4x, and it will become minus 1 by 15. Cross multiply, 15x greater than or equal to 2 goes that side, 2 4s are 8x minus 2, bring 8 to this side, so 15x is minus 8x is greater than or equal to minus 2. 15 minus 8, so simplify, 15 minus 8 gives you what? So solve this, 25 minus 1, okay, minus 10 minus 1, yes. So now we have minus 1, that's it. 15 minus 8 you do, that will give you positive 7x greater than or equal to minus 2, or x is greater than or equal to minus 2 by 7. On number line we'll have strict, it is greater than or equal to means including minus 2 by 7, shade right. So shade right, so this is minus 2 by 7 including shade right. Greater means shade towards right, so make the line thicker towards the right side on the number line. We'll get what? Positive infinity, and here it will be thin line. So this is your solution region. So minus 2 by 3, more than minus 2 by 3. If you want to write in interval, x belongs to what? Minus 2 by 7 till positive infinity, including this closed interval. I hope all of you understood this. So here we have simplified. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9. 25 minus 21 gives you positive 4, and this will become negative, and transfer this side, 15 to 8 and minus 2, and 8 you bring this side, 15 minus 8 gives you positive 7, transfer 7 to that side, it will become minus 2 by 7. Next, see, in today's class I taught you how to solve it and represent in interval as well as represent on number line. If it is included, make a dark bubble. If it is not included, make a air bubble. Greater means shade towards right, lesser means shade towards left. That's what we have done. So now you know how to represent on number line. We'll go to the next, in my next session we'll go to the other problems, wherein I'll be helping you to solve inequalities, more than one inequality, to get solution region on the graph. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.